What's up, guys? It's Matt from RC Overload. Welcome back. So I've actually been doing quite a bit of work today, putting something kind of cool together for you. As you guys know, I've been going down to the track quite a bit, having way too much fun there, filming way too many things there, and just having an absolute blast. As you guys know, I have been going down to the track called the Drop Zone. It's located in Plymouth, Mass, if anybody is curious. It's a new track. They just opened up the place to the public, and it's been awesome because I've actually become a part of that track, helping put it together, getting some of the banners, and just helping to get the word out about it, honestly. So, like I said, I've been having a lot of fun up there, running my own cars on the track. First time I've ever run an RC track before, so it's been really cool. However, when I filmed there, I filmed for a couple of hours, honestly, several hours, and there is a lot, I mean a lot, of video for me to go through, so it takes me some time to do that. And there's a lot of video that I don't really get to put online, you know, in each video. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't make it. You know, like some of the cool crashes and just some of the epic moments that just made that day awesome. You know, some of it I just can't put on the video. I don't have enough time. It's going to bore you guys. So today what I've done is I've actually come up with a couple of different little things in today's video to show you guys some of the stuff you've missed from the other videos. So to start it off, I figured let's show you guys some really cool crashes. Why not, right? Alright, let's get to it. Oh, you're back. Sorry, I didn't know. You know, I'm just reading Tower Hobbies magazine, just came in. Anyways, pretty cool, right? Had some good crashes in there. You know, some of that stuff you guys, I couldn't put on the video. That's why I wanted to do something like this for you. And surprisingly enough, nothing really broke on these trucks. There was maybe a couple screws loose. We had maybe one or two parts really break here and there. But surprisingly enough, these trucks held in. Now this next section is all the crashes and bashes that these trucks actually landed on four wheels and was able to take right back off again. Check it out.
Oh my goodness! Yep. And there she goes.
I wonder, where did that screw go? God damn it. Oh, hey, you're back. So, really cool, right? You know? A lot of that stuff, I'm surprised even made it. Shouldn't have really landed on all four wheels in some of those, right? So, pretty cool stuff. Again, things that just didn't make it to the other videos. So, this next part is actually something pretty funny. When you're out there filming, anything can really happen. Trucks can come flying at you at any given moment, and you have to be ready for them. So I put together a really short clip of a few moments where, myself included, as well as a few other guys, ran into problems with trucks flying at them, if not really close calls. Take a look. Now, I gotta go back to looking for the screw.
That was awesome! Trying to take the camera dude out, what the hell?
Found you! Hey, you're back. And I found the screw I was looking for. So that was pretty funny, honestly. And yeah, it can, you can come back with some bruises pretty much afterwards if you're doing some filming. You know, it's not the safest job, but it's definitely a lot of fun. However, I wanted to put all this together for you guys pretty much just as something fun to enjoy. Something real quick. This was pretty much just from 4 times out at the track, and it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys continue to watch my track videos as well as anything else I film. I will, you know, post the link to all the information I can about the track down below, even some of the cars that were in this video, as well as some of the links to the other track videos that I posted. So I gotta get back to working on this MT, just fine-tuning some details on it, and that'll pretty much do it for today. As usual, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you really liked it. I think that'll do it. Oh, wait, you know what? On our way out on this video, enjoy a quick little clip of what I like to call cars in helping hand. If not, you know what, I found a better word. RC car love. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for enjoying the show. And I'll see you guys next time.
Hey, thanks for the head start.